Welcome, my friends. Today, the recipe is wonderful and delicious and suitable for parties and weddings. You can, my friends, serve it as a dessert or appetizer at birthdays or school parties. I am sure that family members will prefer it and eat with pleasure. The recipe is very easy, and all the ingredients, I believe, are available in all homes. My friends, we need at the beginning of the recipe 20 grams of sugar and 6 grams of yeast. Add 155 milliliters of warm milk and mix the ingredients together. Sugar, my friends, helps speed up the yeast reaction process, as I told you before. Then we add 250 grams of flour and 2 grams of salt and start kneading. After the dough becomes cohesive, we add 15 ml of olive oil to the dough. Olive oil adds to the delicious taste. And we knead the dough for 10 minutes until it becomes smooth. When the dough is smooth, the result is good and working with it is easy. You, my friends, can use the kneading machine and the result is wonderful. Then we place the dough in a bowl, cover it, and wait 55 minutes until the dough ferments and doubles in size. While waiting, my friends, we are preparing the cream that gives the delicious taste to the recipe. We need 1 egg and add vanilla to it. We also add 125 milliliters of milk. We also add 25 grams of sugar and 25 grams of cornstarch. Mix them together, then put them on the stove until boiling. After that, we empty the cream into a bowl. We cover it with a piece of nylon while it is hot. This is necessary so that a thick layer does not form on the face of the cream. At this time, my friends, the dough will ferment and double in size. We begin working with the dough. We cut the dough into 8 pieces. We form the dough pieces into balls in the shape you see. At this time, the cream has become cold. Empty the cream into the cream bag. Then place a piece of dough on the table with a little flour. We begin by rolling out the dough balls in this way that you saw. Then we add the cream that we cooked at the beginning of the recipe. My friends, I made this recipe twice a week. A friend of mine wanted to come and visit us with his family. When they ate it, they were very happy. I hope you, my friends, make it in your homes, as it is easy and does not require much time. My friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. Write to me in the comments from which country you watch me. Thank you very much, my friends, for your interaction in the previous videos. This helps me grow the channel. I hope you like my recipes, and also write me your opinions on the recipes that I share with you. The dough is wonderful and easy to work with. After my friends finish shaping the dough, we put it in the oven pan. We cover the pies until they ferment and double in size, and we wait for 25 minutes. Then we bring 1 egg and a spoonful of milk. We mix them together well. After the pies are finished brewing, we brush the sides of the pies with the eggs and milk that have been mixed. The recipe is easy, delicious, and fun to make. My friends, in the baking stage, we need a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for a period ranging from 20 to 23 minutes. While we are waiting for the pies in the oven, my friends, we are preparing the cream. We need 300 milliliters of whipping cream, and we also add 50 grams of sugar. My friends, note that the whipping cream must be cold so that it is good at whipping and becomes the size of a sword. When the whipping cream is not cooled, the result will not be good. Be careful, my friends. At this time, the pies will have cooked in the oven and are ready. My friends, we are waiting for the pies to cool completely. The smell is beautiful and delicious. The appearance is wonderful and the color is golden. After the pies have completely cooled, we place the whipped cream in the cream bag and begin drawing on top of the pies. You, my friends, can draw any shape you want, and you can put any type of fruit. This is optional. I was very happy in making this recipe, and my family and I enjoyed tasting it. Write me your opinion about this recipe. I wish you a nice follow-up, my friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Share the video with friends, and do not forget to activate the bell button to receive all new updates. I hope you are always well and stay in good health. Have a nice day. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.